Do you want to learn Microsoft Teams? Well, you're in luck. I'm running a hands-on Microsoft Teams Masterclass, and I'm running it with my good friend Gokan Ozcifci.
End of June, we'll be in Seattle for TechCon365. And as you probably have seen it before, that workshop was called the Mastering Microsoft Teams, but I was always missing a small part. And that superhero part was the administration. And therefore, I needed Vlad Catrinescu. And that's the reason why we will share this workshop, have a hands-on from the end user perspective, from the admin perspective, for 8 hours.
We're gonna cover everything from end user to Teams owner, so all of the different Teams owner settings you can do, what are all the settings an admin can do, all the policies they can do. So Teams works exactly the way you want it to, where people are allowed to do the stuff you want them, and they're blocked from doing the stuff that you don't want them to do. So, see you in
Seattle, TechCon365 with a special code of
Vlad Catrinescu, and you can save $100 off. So, looking forward to see you there.